Hello, everybody.
Ms. Kennedy, I appreciate you sticking around, and I'm glad you were able to meet with Ms. Rafferty. You're still on
Yes.
mute. Thank
Yes.
you. So I went ahead and excused Ms. Rafferty because she had to go back to in-person court.
Mhm.
It looks like you may be working on a possible settlement or consent agreement. Is that right?
Yes, but my thing is when I asked her, were they the original creditor? She said no, they bought it from the original creditor. And so
Okay,
I
so
said,
oh, I'm
she
sorry.
said,
So hold on, Ms. Kennedy. Please don't tell me anything about the facts of the case because Ms. Rafferty's not here. Um, and so the if I need both parties to be present if you want to tell me about the facts of the case,
so,
unless
oh Lord,
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So what I'm doing is I'm going to continue it to July 3rd at 9 o'clock.
oh Lord.
Well, I mean, that's what that's what I understood is there might be an agreement in place. That's what Ms. Rafferty announced.
There is might be agreement in place, but um if there's agreement in place and I can appeal it, can I appeal that?
Well, you have the right to petition for review from any judgment in magistrate court.
Okay.
And that's what I announced at the top of the calendar. That's under Official Code of Georgia Annotated 5-3-1 at sequence.
Okay,
And
so,
it's
so
called a petition for review
okay.
to either the Superior Court or the state court. And you
Okay.
have that right.
All right. So I just want to know. So if I agree to what she's saying, and I later talk on to somebody else, and they were like, "That's not right." If I go to Legal Shield, I can petition it.
Well, see, it's hard for me to answer that because I might accidentally be giving you legal advice. And I can't give you
Yeah.
legal advice because I'm a judge in the case and I'm not your attorney. But I will encourage you to do this. If you think you have legal questions like that, I would encourage you to please consult with an attorney. If you think
Okay.
legal field,
But I have to, like, if she can't do her job and stay for, it's not my fault that she has trying to make double money or, can't would set
well,
two court cases at the same time. How can she do that? I mean, I know my rights. I mean, that's just like setting rules and the way that you want to have rules taken. I feel like it should be thrown out because I don't have to be on her time. It's
well,
not fair. It's
so
not right.
So, Ms. Kennedy, like I said, I will encourage you to contact an attorney if you have any questions about your rights or feel like you need representation. But for
I'm talking about
today,
this situation because if she can't spend 1 or 2 little minutes to come back, it should not be on my time to be on her time. I do know my rights too. I'm not, I mean, I have rights too. People
I
taking laws into their own hands today, and it's not fair.
I agree you do have rights. You're right, Ms. Kennedy, absolutely, and you have the right to assert those rights. Um, but this is a default judgment calendar, which means that if a case is filed against a defendant and the defendant doesn't file an answer, then the plaintiff can move for a default judgment, meaning the plaintiff wins on the merits of the case.
Well, but she's not following through. They have her representative representing, and she can't follow through. I'm not supposed to be on her time. That's how I
Well,
feel. I gotta
all right.
wait that time or whatever. They should drop the case because if she can't represent them properly, it is not right. Because I need to talk. She needs to talk, and we could but I could say what I need to say in front of her. I'm not gonna be on her time so she could make money during this time and then trying to make money over there when she making me lose out on money. So I feel
So
like I have a lawsuit
so
because
you can pursue whatever remedy you feel
sure,
like you should
sure.
be able to pursue.
I mean, why do I have to come back on July because she can't spend 2 or 3 minutes and she trying to make her hustle over there with this court case and then do her thing because she bought their company bought all these things out. So mine is little to her, but it's big to me.
So unfortunately, I can't answer that question because I might accidentally be giving you legal advice, Miss Kennedy. I'm really going
I
to.
just know that you're the judge, and maybe I feel like it should be thrown out because she didn't follow through with what she's doing. I'm here.
So
I'm here.
I
I'm
understand your
here. So
motion.
I just hope this is
I,
being recorded.
I understand. I
Sure.
understand your motion. If you're filing a motion to dismiss, I'm going to deny it this time. There's no basis in Georgia law to grant a motion to dismiss. So I'm not going to grant your motion to dismiss at this time. But if you feel like you have some remedies under the law, or if you want to be represented by an attorney, or if you want to pursue other remedies, I would encourage you to do that. But
Yeah, I am, because I'm just so tired of people taking the laws into their own hands. And, I've gone to different courts, and if it was a different, probably, I'm going to be honest, a different probably race, then it probably would not go this way. So I'm just tired of, I think it's supremacy. And I just don't feel like it's right. So I'm going to stand up because some people in the past had to stand up, and I'm just getting tired of this. I'm just
well,
getting tired. I'm not
and
going to be on her time
again,
when
Miss
I
Kennedy,
can't support on time.
I
Sure.
will encourage you to pursue whatever remedies you feel like
Sure.
you should in the law.
Okay.
So I'm going to schedule it for July 3rd at 9 o'clock.
No, I did agree to this, but then I'm just gonna come back and sue. I'm just gonna come back and I'm going to sue.
You pursue whatever remedies you
Right.
feel like you need to.
So she said because I might miss that date. And if I miss that date, I'm gonna be left with a garniture out of my check. So for me to be on the safe side, because I'm borrowing off her time, I'm not going to take that risk. So I'm just going to agree to this, and then I'm just going to file another lawsuit against the court. So that's all that's going to happen because I think this is going to be recorded. So sure, and I'm just going to call leadership. Right. So I'm going to agree to this, whatever she said, because I think I might forget. So much been happened to me. I've been through 4 deaths. I had to go to court yesterday for the landlord not that put me in this predicament, for the ceiling falling out. So I have to move out. I have a lot on my plate. I cannot be going back and forth on her time. So I just pursue that in another manner with another lawsuit. So sure. But I will agree to this, but then I just got another, I didn't have time. She didn't have time to discuss with me. Right.
You're not required to agree to anything. I don't want you to feel like you're required to agree
Right, but
to
I'm
anything.
just scared I might miss that. I might miss that date because I almost things have been happening to me. Like they said, I didn't get the jury duty thing. They called me right before you did, saying DeKalb County. I thought it was you all, and they said I was going. The sheriff gonna come after me, because I missed the jury duty. I didn't even.
Well, that actually sounds like a scam because the sheriff does not call people and say they're going to come after you if you miss jury duty. That's what scam artists do. So be aware, be forewarned, because that sounds like a scam artist trying to take advantage of you. And I don't want that to happen to you, Ms. Kennedy.
Okay, thank you. Well,
you're welcome.
It's kind of problems I've been having lately. So,
but again, I'm going to encourage you, please contact a lawyer, contact Atlanta Legal Aid. They are wonderful attorneys. And I think they may be able to represent you and help you. I think Atlanta Legal Aid may be able to give you some representation, some guidance, some advice, and they may be able to help you in all these situations. So
if I go with her agreement, when do I have to sign for this?
Well, so I can't answer that because I might be giving you legal advice.
Okay, so where do I go after this? I'm confused.
So
what do I do after this?
I can't, again, I can't.
Right. If I don't accept the 23rd and she said we got an agreement.
I can't answer that because I might be giving you legal advice. I'm going to encourage you to contact Atlanta Legal Aid. Please contact Atlanta Legal Aid or another attorney.
Trying to prevent another court date. What? I don't know what to do.
And Ms. Kennedy, you raised a lot of issues, and I don't want to accidentally give you legal advice.
It's not giving me legal advice. I'm just trying to see the closing of this.
I understand. Well, so, what I'm going to do is, again, encourage you to please consult with an attorney. You can contact Atlanta Legal Aid. They're a nonprofit organization, Atlanta Legal Aid. They should be able to, if not represent you, at least give you some guidance and some direction and maybe a recommendation. And I'm going to see you back on July 3rd at 9
I don't
o'clock
want to
a.m.
come back on July 3rd.
Okay, well then, all right. Well then, please make sure that you do whatever you think is in your own best interest. Whatever you think that is, whatever is in your own best interest. That's what I would.
So if I call her and whatever the agreement she says, are they going to call me? That's what I'm just saying.
I can't answer that. I don't know the answer to that, Miss Kennedy. I'm sorry. I don't know the answer to that.
Okay, so who do I call? She just said she's so busy. I mean, she didn't have time for me. So I can ask her everything I need to ask. So why? Yes,
Kennedy,
I need to. How can I tell
know
the people what I need to do when I don't even know what number to call? Who is
Kennedy, Miss
okay?
Kennedy,
Who is
I'm sorry. I cannot
who is
answer any more
suing me?
questions. Miss Kennedy, if
Okay.
you don't know who's suing you, I can't answer any more
Okay.
questions. So I'm gonna end this conversation now. Thank you so much for being with me in court this afternoon. I really appreciate it. We'll see you back on July 3rd at 9 o'clock a.m. Thank you so
But
much.
are they going to send me something?
Yes, ma'am. You'll get notice from the clerk of court about the new court date with the new Zoom link. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so me and her did settle the agreement. She's supposed to call.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kennedy. I appreciate it. Okay, Madam Clerk, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's 3:13 p.m.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.